Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to copy. So as example, I will insert the furniture in here. And next, if you want to copy this object, you can select the object, right click and then choose copy. After it, you can right click again, paste, and you can move the paste objects like into here, release to apply. I will paste again and then move to the bottom here, click, right click, and then you can click OK to insert. So you can select the objects and right click, choose a copy. The next you can paste and then move the objects, right click again, and then click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to copy object.